So the first thing to do is there's a little cover plate, get rid of that. There's a screw in there, and then there should be a screw under this cover plate. I gotta get rid of this here, and then the panel will be held by several clips down here. Pull that, and then it should be able to remove the panel, and then figure out what is going on behind this latch. Okay, this little plate came out. See the little latch right here? Should really pry it out. You see 2 screws in there. And then what we're gonna do is get rid of this little piece of covering. You see the little screw there? Just get rid of that. There's this little triangle piece you should pull out as well. You should just jam it here and pull out this little clip here. So this little harness is down here. So once you pull that out, you should see it separate out. Then you got some harness down here. You can also pull out. I don't have to. Looks like I got a problem right here. Is this cable? That's broke. Look at that. Here's the latch. It's broke right off right there. So you would thread this new cable in. Remember this with a clip on the side that goes into the indoor latch. And this other end goes here, and then this thing clips over here. Alright, so now the cable's in there. You put this plastic cover on, and it's held on by a little screw right here. Pop that in. Alright, so we're gonna finagle this piece in there. It's gonna be pretty difficult. Alright, it took several tries. So this cable right here is where the lock is. It got jammed in, so you make sure these 2 comes out, and then this can clip in, and then now you can have this black piece tied here to route this cable before you clip that one in. So that's the trick. You want to make sure those are in place before you force it in.